Alex here with Intuitive Code. Today I'm going to explain YouTube memberships. Just a second, I'm going to stop here the sound. Well, people, they asked, and I have great news for you, so listen to the end, okay? People asked, where are the memberships? I'm going to show you here today the pricing and what is included. And moreover, the most important, listen to this, the most important is what you can accomplish, okay? So I'm going to start here by referring to the fact that 1 month ago, YouTube, Google invited me to define some memberships. I accepted the challenge, and about 10 hours later, they approved the memberships. It was direct, okay? So I'm going to show you here precisely on YouTube. This is the channel on YouTube. So I'm going to utilize here Zoom. This is my channel. This is the channel, all right? And here you have approved. So the memberships, they are approved, and they are approved 1 month ago, okay? So what do they include, the memberships? You have here 4 levels, okay? And you have here the pricing, all right? So this is very simple. I'm going to explain each membership, but the most important is what can be accomplished, which is by far more without any upgrade in pricing, okay? So the first level is the early access public video, and the price is €3.99, okay? It is not €4 or 4.01 because this is the way YouTube works, okay? So €3.99. Early access public video. What does it mean? It means that instead of publishing directly the video, making it public on YouTube, the members, they are the first to get it, okay? And you are familiar, this is very simple, with the fact that once we publish a video, stocks, they move, okay? So those that they pay, obviously, they are the first to profit the most. So by having access to the video, even if you are not a subscriber to a plan, you have thousands of examples where you can profit, and therefore $3.99, it is, peanuts, it is completely free, okay? So the second level is market news and updates, okay? This price is €24.99, okay? How does it work? Well, YouTube created a kind of, I'm not sure the name of it. There is a kind of private channel. They call it, I believe, community, and where we can post news, screenshots, whatever information, and this is precisely included in the market news and updates, okay? So it can be, for example, a link to an article on the blog of major importance, for example, a stock that is moving today, or a hot stock on the long side or short side. And I'm going to refer here to examples, since there is already information on these memberships. The case of Snapchat, once the company announced earnings report, the stock was around $28, and then within 48 hours or so soared to $43. This is tremendous. So in just a matter of days, you can become a millionaire by following the instructions. So this is the second level, and the content pretty much depends. I'm not going here to compare the levels on YouTube versus the existing plans. There is no comparison whatsoever, okay? So you cannot expect, obviously, to receive the same level of information on a YouTube plan compared to what users they pay on standard plans. Nevertheless, you can get by far more, and this is where it gets interesting because I'm going to explain, okay? So listen to this because you can get by far more than any of the existing plans, going all the way up to professionals. So wait a second and you are going to comprehend. So the next level is videos for members only, okay? So again, the price here is 49.99, so again, completely free, based on obviously the content, the quality of the content. And again, there are already examples in this membership level, which I'm not going to address. So what does it include this level? Basically, it includes, you know, a video that is not available on YouTube. Okay, so it is not public. It is a video of more importance or quality of content compared to the content that is published on YouTube, and therefore this is the pricing, and it is extraordinarily low. Okay, so having said this, and before I talk about the next one, live streaming with chat, I'm going to explain, it is paramount that you comprehend that when you subscribe to, for example, the videos for members only, you also have access to the market news and updates, as well as the early access public video. So YouTube created it in a way that once you subscribe to the level 3, you also have access to everything level 2 as well as level 1, okay? Now we are going to talk about the live streaming with chat, and the price is 99.99, okay? So this is the price that YouTube made it available. In this level, you have access to a session of live stream. Nevertheless, and this is capital that you comprehend this, this is where it gets interesting, really very, very interesting for you. The live streaming, therefore not to collide with the existing users, and live streaming is a very expensive technology and it requires that I'm present. Therefore, this live streaming that I'm referring here, it is not live streaming trading, okay? So if you wish live streaming trading, in other words, live trading during market hours, including, for example, earnings calls and, you know, stuff like that, instructions in real time, for example, trading stocks like Tesla or Amazon, extraordinarily volatile stocks with a very high level of accuracy, that is possible. So how to get all these for just 99.99? This is going to depend, as I already explained a couple of weeks ago, on YouTube publicly as well as to users. This is going to pretty much depend on the number of members, okay? So what I can do in order to help everyone, okay, since I'm retired, is very simple. Once we get to a certain number of members, okay, for example, level, let's say 2,000 members, I will be there, for example, on Fridays or Thursdays, okay, all day, or during 4 hours, live streaming in real time, all the time, helping you to make whatever you want. So that will depend not on me, but it will depend on that you have to be there with your account and executing, period. That's it, okay? It will not depend on the number of trades, because number of trades, it is not directly related to profits. It will depend on your availability to be there, okay? And once you are there and you have the knowledge about the methodology that I will explain, therefore I will give all the instructions and I will teach people. Obviously, you just have to pull the trigger and you don't have to do anything else, okay? So Moreover, I didn't finish yet, so because it gets even more interesting. The more members they appear or subscribe on YouTube, the longer I can be there, obviously, and that is of your great advantage. So in the end, if you want to make millions of dollars investing in NIO or in Tesla or long-term in Amazon, you know, all these companies that I discuss and I publish a forecast and earnings calls 100% accurate. And if you want to see that in real time, the only thing that you have to do is to invite them to share with others, and I will be there. Instead of being, for example, on a Friday, I will be there on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Monday to Friday, I will be there. We can be there, you know, 3 or 4 hours, depending on the number of members. And therefore, that is of your great benefit to you, okay? So since I'm retired, I have time, no problems whatsoever. But again, I repeat, it is not going to be my work. I'm not going to advertise. I'm not going to do absolutely anything other than to show my gratitude to you for the fact that you became a member. And the more members there are, more available I will be to help you and to respond to questions in real time, and you are going to comprehend the nature of the markets, and then you are going to compare my work in real time versus everyone else in the industry, okay? And you will see that there is light speed, you know, difference between what everyone else says versus what we can do, okay? So this is what you, this is the status. And if the question is, well, how can you subscribe and where are the memberships? Well, I'm going to, again, here, I'm going to stop here just, and I'm going to do this, okay? So you can see it here that YouTube, therefore I'm explaining all this in detail for you to comprehend, okay? I don't have anything to hide, okay? On the contrary. You can see it here, the upload badges and emoji, not started yet, okay? This is not my job, okay? This is not my job. I'm not going to upload any badges or emoji. I don't know what they want. But this is my job. It was to define the memberships, to approve or to commit with the let's say these membership levels, and YouTube approve it, and the rest is about I don't know, emojis or badges. I don't know about emojis and badges. So the team, it is their work. It is not mine. Okay. So this is where it is standing. Probably stop at day. I don't know exactly why, but this is where where it is right now. Okay. So I hope that I explained all this in detail. If you still have questions, well, you can obviously ask. I will be here. I don't know, here and then. I've been already trying to help people substantially throughout the years, including, and I never asked, in fact, any single dollar for this matter. So hopefully you'll comprehend the value of subscribing or joining the membership. But like I said before, my friends, I don't need it. So I can continue doing exactly what I've been doing, and I don't have any problems whatsoever. And that is very important that you comprehend it, okay? I'm not here trying to sell absolutely anything. On the contrary, I will be here. I promise it, and I commit myself to be here depending on the number of members. So the more members there are, the more I will commit and the more information you will receive, to the point of, if there is a substantial number of members, I will be from Monday to Friday, and you, in the end, you are going to pay exactly the same price, which is $99.99, okay? So the 99.99, it will be the maximum price per month that you are going to pay. And then, you know, there are people that, for example, I have customers that they made $1 million in one single day. I have people that they made $10 million in one single week, for example, investing in companies like Tesla or NIO and many others, okay? So that it's going to depend on you, how much you have, and your attitude and your willingness to execute. It is not certainly going to depend on me, because everyone knows my work in the past 35 years, and therefore I don't have here to demonstrate anything, all right? So thank you very much, and I wish you here, well, good luck. I'm going to stop here recording, because I'm recording this also for reference, to learn, to know what I said, not then to promise something different, all right?